When you watch this channel, you don't just get the subject matter that I'm bringing you: languages, Welsh stuff, British identities, general Western liberal democratic values, and Western culture in general. You're also on a journey as I explore it with you. And part of that is every once in a while I'm going to update you on how things are going, where the direction is kind of going on this channel, and how I'm doing in my life, so you get to join me. And this is just one of those short updates for you. So let's go. 4 quick things for you. Number 1. Some of you have mentioned about the sound on this channel. So this is the first video that I'm making with this new mic. Let me show you. Yeah? Does that solve your problems? Check, check. How does this work? I think that it's a really good mic, and I hope that it sorts out the ruffling bit on my clothes. I'll still keep the older mic that I wear for when I go outside, which it's winter at the moment. So, and I'm a Texan originally, so. But how does this sound? Oh, this is so much better, isn't it? Let me know down. Do you approve? What do you think? So the second thing is Dutch. A few months ago, I said that I was going to begin the Dutch language. So how's that going? Ik ben begonnen met Nederlands, maar ik heb het echt druk gehad met Nederlands. En met het nieuwe huis en ook met werk. So I'm a bit busy at the moment, but I am working on Netherlands Dutch. It's just I haven't had an opportunity to. I did mention in an earlier video in the summer, or autumnish give or take, that it would be my 4th language. And I'm working on that for you. I want to explore that culture. I have been keeping up with Francais. That's kind of my video entertainment that I explore language in, and I'm keeping that steady. I've also, just through activities that I do, developed a bit of knowledge of Ivrit, Hebrew. So I don't know how that's going to develop. It's just a constant lodestar in my life. You'll notice as you watch this channel, slowly, as you go on this journey with me. Please do. As for other languages, they'll be a bit slower to come in, but eventually they will. Mainly, I want you to be able to experience the Welsh language. So what about this housing situation? Because you may be able to hear a bit of sound. For those of you who've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I've been discussing and talking about acquiring a property, a house of my own. Now, I was just almost to the edge of the finish line to complete that and buy the property, but it fell through at the last moment. So I'm probably going to go to where I'm going to, which I'm not going to mention specifically by name yet, and rent, and then buy, and then build a studio for you. But things will improve. You will have a better backdrop before long. That is my intention. It's just that life laughs at your plans, doesn't it? Help support me, we'll get there faster. And may I take this time to thank my 5 Patreons, and also Delwina Hurd, thank you for being a member. If you want to be a member as well, there's a join button just right there. So I do apologize for the sound situation. I hope this mic drastically improves things for you. Another thing I want to include in these updates that you get every once in a while is what is on the back burner, what's coming up next. Besi Aragwell, we say in Welsh, it's on the needles. What's coming? So on the community tab, I released a poll and had people vote on which video they wanted me to make, and the top one I made for you, Glyndŵr, the Welsh rebel prince, a bit about him and his letter to the King of France. Check that out if you'd like. As for some of the others that were quite high in the votes, I may do them. One of you suggested I do a video on the place names to do with the Pictish language and maybe Old Welsh in northern, or at least central to North Scotland. That'd be quite interesting. I would need to do research for you on that. Let me know, do you think that's a good idea? That could be quite good, I think. Also, over the holidays I've got some good things planned for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it, and hopefully it'll be a big boost to the channel. We'll be able to get out more videos for you that are quite interesting, I hope, in a batch for you over the holidays. So, stay tuned. Hey, diolch yn fawr. Hwyl fawr.